Okay guys, check this out. It's the new Magic John upgraded window clamp or phone holder clamp. This is it right here. I know you've seen a lot of videos over the road truck drivers, travelers, anybody who does any kind of going around in your vehicle and you need a way to hold your phone. I'm here to tell you, this is probably what you're going to need. But this is also great for content creators that do some of the more extreme stuff. And you know what? I'm going to test this out and I'm going to show it to you. But you know, anybody can stick one to the inside of the damn window on their vehicle. We're not going to do that. Okay guys, Magic John, we're going to actually show you how this thing works. Fully pivotal mount on the stuff on it. We're going to stick this to the hood. Lock it in place. That's not going anywhere. The little arm right here on the side allows you full mobility, adjustability on it. Right here on the clamp, you'll notice on the bottom right here, there's actually thumb pieces that you can use to actually open this up. Very strong clamps right here to hold your phone. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and put this guy right there, lock it down. We're gonna put this right there, lock it in place. We're gonna put phone in it. And we're gonna go 70 miles an hour down the highway, just to show you. Trust it, even with my phone. Well, here we are. The video that you just saw was sped up. It was uncut. That was about an 8.5 mile drive up roads that had a speed limit of 70 to 85 miles an hour, and then taking it over some backcountry roads and eventually taking us down to the river. Let's go down to the river. That's the Magic John clip right here. There are bugs and shit all over the back of this phone. So I'm gonna put this in my pocket and let's talk about this guy right here. Fully aluminum. The clamp on this thing is amazing. This clamp, everything on this is all aluminum ball with rubber O-ring grommets to prevent it from spinning, turning, or anything like that on it. Simple one twist and everything moves. Twist on this right here, you've got a 360 degree ball mount that can allow you to put this whatever position you want. And it's that simple. Again, right here on the side, you see the little clamps. These allow you to move this out without you having to try to figure out how to pry this apart. Just little clamps right there. Super grippy, as you saw. I put a phone on this, drove 75, 80 miles an hour down the highway right here on this hood. Like I said, anybody can stick this to the inside of a window and have confidence, because if your phone falls, guess where it goes? In your vehicle. If my phone fell, guess where it was gonna go? The highway. So guys, yes, Magic John, these things are amazing. Now, the suction part of it, check it out. You simply put it down right here on the side, you push that clamp, you're done. That's not coming off. I was probably pulling about, so you can see I was lifting up on the hood, I was probably pulling 50, 60 pounds right there. That's not coming off. You don't have to worry about that. Undo the clamp, comes right off. So there you go guys, check it out right here, TikTok shop. You'd be stupid if you pass this up.